Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, powered by the best option scanning tools on the market today, rbtrader.com. And looking at a market that refuses really to die here. Certainly earnings season off to a less than auspicious start here. JPMorgan yesterday kind of with some dour numbers. Certainly Walmart coming out on their investor day and really guiding lower on the revenue and earnings front and for a long period of time. Certainly that higher wages coming through to Walmart, margins really being compressed here. Yum Brands came out with a disaster earlier. So earnings certainly maybe for the second quarter in a row will actually be lower. So maybe an earnings recession, certainly a revenue recession for the third quarter, but yet the market refuses really to have a meaningful sell-off, the free money versus kind of the valuation yin and yang, and I think that will continue for a longer period of time, kind of like the Fed not raising rates than probably investors, care to partake in. Nice thing about that with the VIX somewhere around that 16, 17 level, I like selling both sides of the market here, out of the money call spreads on rallies, out of the money put spreads on dip. Really looking for the SPY to remain kind of in that range between 187 to the downside, 203 to the upside. Can envision us breaking out meaningfully to the upside with not only the valuation concerns, but also with the worldwide concerns, but yet with, interest rates actually heading lower from zero perhaps. We have that trade-off here. The put, although not in place on the policy put, the old Bernanke put, now maybe the Yellen put, maybe not have a highest strike price, but still out there certainly. On the tactical front, looking at Walmart, which we talked about, did come out and really guide lower, led to maybe an opportunity in shares of Target TGT. That stock down around 74, doesn't have really the international exposure that Walmart does and probably some of the same concerns. So kind of like it on a yield basis, technically to that 74 level. Outside of that, we're looking at really the semi stocks here, stock like HIMX, which has seen big and unusual call volume out in January, the January 8 calls. So looking to tag along with those, buying some of those January 8 calls for about 60 cents here. Have seen over the past couple weeks almost 30,000 contracts traded on the heels of PMCS and Skyworks deal, and the rumor yesterday of Maxim and ADI. I think certainly the semi space is one where we'll see even more and more consolidation. So for the option insider, looking for a play out there in January on the January 8 calls in HIMX. But until we kind of get some clarity on this market breaking out of the range one side or the other, I really think we're just going to be trundling along sideways, entering into kind of a bullish period generally once we get past October. So until next time, this is Tim Bigham. As always, here's to good trading. Take care.